Find or read reviews that people are talking of Kentucky Electric Pressure Washer, 3000 psi high pressure washer. The recommended that you do not buy unless you have read and studied this product, until you are sure that quality are acceptable and you really want to buy. And don't forget press to subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. 5 interchangeable nozzles. From 0 degree, 15 degree, 25 degree, 40 degree, and soap to tackle light, medium and heavy. You can choose different angles spray nozzle according to the actual need. Portable and light. A portable handle and 2 wheels help to carry this pressure washer with less power. Total stop system, TSS. The auto stop when the not in use make it a lot easier to stop and go without having to worry about shutting off the machine. Powerful cleaning force. Perfect for siding, decks, cement, pavement, pools, outdoor furniture, cars, trucks, RVs, ATVs, garbage cans, animal cages and more. Thanks for watching. Emphasize once more. If you're new here, make sure to click that subscribe button. And all the links to everything we mention in this video, you can find linked in the description box below.